about to give them what they want. I don't think they're ready for this, though. Beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode. Chef Denise. What's good, YouTube? You know who it is. Chris Jones, representing Pump Chase. You want to say hi, Brookie? I know you ready over here. Right. I want to say hi. She ready to touch on recording. Come over here. Go ahead and say hi. All right. So we're about to have us a little breakfast, fam, and go to the gym and have some protein pancakes. You already know. Head on down and time right now. Pause the video, go right now. TigerFitness.com and get your GF way. Gonna have these pancakes and then we're going to the gym. All right, fam, in the car. Denise went inside 7-Eleven for a minute. Knocking at this pancake, baby. Eating on the go.
Go to Arts and Crafts.
All right, see you later, Brookie. Have fun. I had a few subscribers ask me why we come here. This is where Denise come.
This is where I come.
You know, it's for the daycare.
Yeah.
You know, when you have a kid, fam, you know, you gotta make adjustments.
At Lifetime is from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Monday through Thursday, and then on the weekends,
helps you out.
It's 8 to 5.
Yeah.
They don't have no break off cutoff time.
And it's a nice vibe here. You don't just feel like a gym. It's like a place to come network.
Well, it's not a gym, it's a club.
Yeah, low key. You got pool, sauna, a little restaurant, internet. Like, it's low key and chill, little bougie vibes.
Definitely.
Nice and smooth, baby. All right, homies and homies, my workout's done. I did some arms and I threw some calves in. Having a protein shake over here at the bar. Denise wanted to go to this massage chair. They got one of those hydro massage. Like I said, this is like a club. So she's at the massage chair. I'm gonna sip this smoothie and wait for him. All right, everybody get us some sandwiches over here at Firehouse. Little cheat code, fam. Get a little bit of that deli mustard to the side. This for the hero sandwich. A little deli to the side, deli mustard. All right, fam, it's sandwich time. I got my sandwich, the hero, by the way. A large hero. I got my chips. I'm gonna go to my office and check on my online clients. Remember, we're doing a 20% off sale on my coaching site. Be sure to tap in if you're interested. Online, macro-based coaching. Let's get it. I'm enjoying my cheat day right now. About to check on my clients and probably go out to eat again later. You know, the Avatar movie just came out. Might go check on that if it's not too late. Let's get it. All right, enjoying my meal. Visible. Watching a little bit of YouTube, checking out tips from the past, tips from the old age, the silver era, not the golden era, the silver era. You know how they say nothing is new under the sun? I get emails, DMs all the time asking me about certain exercises making their obliques too thick. You know, not wanting your obliques to get too thick and throw off your V taper. There were bodybuilders in the 60s and the 70s with these same concerns. Listen to this clip.
Definitely became more Herculean looking. Geronda and Reeves, who were two bodybuilding pioneers from the silver era, they were careful about overdeveloping the obliques as they believe that they can make the waistline look thicker. As mentioned, Reg Park would only train the abdominals with one exercise, that being the
All right,
sit-up.
homies and homies, about to get ready to go to the movies and check out the Avatar film. Now, they got food there. I'm not sure if I can film in there, but we'll see if I can get a little picture of the food or something, okay? I want to take y'all along. I want to drink water, but I'm bringing these with me to flavor my water. It's a little hack for people who may not want to drink soda, but you still want to drink something sweet. All right, so check it out. I'm using my phone right now, my Galaxy phone. I didn't want to walk into the movie theater with a camera. I think that would look a little crazy if I would think I'm trying to record the movie. So I came with the phone instead. Check it out, fam. Here's the menu right here. I'm thinking maybe a little pepperoni pizza, burger and fry, keep it simple. What you thinking, Denise?
Maybe these chicken nachos.
Ultimate chicken nachos? She ain't gonna finish all that. It sounds like something big. Alright, homies and homies, so we're home. It's pretty late. That movie was like 3 hours, fam. It's after midnight. Had a little cereal by Magic Spoon. It's like a protein cereal. Just a little cereal before bed. Like I said, that movie was 3 hours long. I'm not necessarily starving, but I could use a little snack before bed. Don't forget, 20% off sale on my coaching. I got downloadable programs and merch. Type in New Year 20 at checkout if you're interested. Well, anyway, fam, I'll catch you at the next video. Don't forget to like my shit, comment, subscribe, and holler back at your boy. Peace. We need a moment of silence before we fuck up these weights.